Hello, this is Maria and thank you for joining. So today we're looking into two new productivity tips. The first one is about starting earlier your day and the second one is about breathing. So starting with the early morning starter. It's not as easy as we think, but it's all about your self-discipline. Again, it's all about how you control yourself. And starting early has a lot of benefits. I mean, you can start earlier to work. And this moment, this time lapse you have that is earlier than usual is really productive because you tend to not have meetings in between, because you have more alone time, because your focus isn't easily distracted with people, with messages, with emails, because people aren't contacting you in the meantime, because people is asleep, because people is just starting their days and they just haven't started sending emails or whatever. So it's a really productive time there. And at least me at my job, when I start earlier, what I get to do in a 4 hours time lapse, I actually get to do in a 2-hour time lapse, just being by myself earlier with a lot of energy to spend there. And it's an amazing thing that I have actually tried. Another thing, if you get to want to start earlier, I would suggest that if you don't want to work, you can try working out. You can try reading something. You just can try doing whatever you want to do. But just having this earlier start gives you like this push, makes you go be more awake, makes your day more advanced than many other people that are just starting their day later. So it's a good thing you can do if it's difficult for you to start earlier, to wake up earlier. Try sleeping earlier than usual, or try just making yourself go to have a cold bath and wake yourself up. So there are many techniques to actually wake yourself. The second one is about breathing, and on a previous occasion I made a couple of videos on the importance of breathing, why breathing is so good to make us feel better about ourselves, and even a technique, a practice you can do to breathe and feel better for yourself. Okay, so breathing makes us actually be more mindful of how we are feeling. And even if you don't notice it, when you have a lot of emotions going on out there and you don't know what to feel, how to react, or maybe you have this feeling that it's just taking over your mind. Maybe it's because you're feeling sad, maybe because you're feeling anger and you think you won't be able to control it. Maybe it's because you're too stressed out because you have an important presentation. Just take a moment and stay calm, breathe for 3 times, breathe deeply, focus on your breath, and those emotions that are just getting all over you will be understood and will be controlled. So those are the both tips, and at least for me, I really recommend the breathing one. It has been really helpful. So good luck with this. Let me know if any of these work, if you have any other suggestion for these tips, and we'll see you in the next video.